Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, free online tradingeducation.com, and happy wedding bliss to my daughter Danielle and her husband Andrew. In fact, you can see Daddy-O in the background there. Gave my daughter away on Saturday. What a wonderful occasion. Well, let's talk about a trade we had this morning in the GrokStar Room on CYTK. Cybokinetics, something like that. I don't know. I don't care. I just want to trade well and make money. All right, so here we are. This is it at opening, and it was already down 17% at opening, and then it fell another 2%, and then big, huge here bear pullback. But I was concerned because we had the 200 period moving average here. I was concerned about that, and I was concerned about this 830 line, which had been support here in pre-market, again right at opening, and was coming back down to it. So I said, if we get below that line, I want it to be short. So let's see what happened next. Bam, 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 there we go. And I am now short here at $8.19 short CYTK. Ready? And let's see here, I'll move it forward a little bit here. And now it's forming what we call a symmetrical triangle also, but if it's at the end of a down leg like this, we call that a bear pennant. It's a bearish position, and it was just coming along here, but it's right at the $8 mark was the support. So I was getting ready to take out half of my position when suddenly in the next candle, bam, it dropped down, and during that drop down there, I got filled at 802 on the first half for 2.0%. Then let's see, I'm not still short half. Let's see how it goes. And now it dropped down again, and it formed another right here. I was getting a little concerned because as it formed this, it then started hitting its head right there. Fell down here, forming what again? Another symmetrical triangle or a bear pennant. And at this time when it did break above it, but it hit its head right here on the 8 EMA exponential moving average and the 790 possible resistance. And so I'm still short, so my stop is right here just above the $8 mark. Let's see what happened next. Oh, it came up, almost touched my $8 mark. Now we got the 20 moving average coming down and starting to act as resistance. So now I'm going to keep my stop behind the 20. Keep behind the 20, behind the 20. Now they're getting too far apart. So I'm going to drop down here to just above the 8 EMA. That's where my stop is now on the second half here. It's a low basing, low basing, low basing, and boom, it pops up here, and it gets me out at $7.74 for 5.2% on the second half. So let's take a look at this trade here. We shorted it here on the break of the 200 period moving average, aka big red, and we got in here, and then we took out half here as it started to low base into a bearish pennant, and then it broke down, and as it popped up here above the 8 EMA, I got out for a total of 3.7% in just 39 minutes. Well, what happened after that? It did recover some there, and then we did take a long on it as well. Well, these are some of the trades we're doing in the GrokStar Room, and if you'd like to join us, you can. 30 days for free. Just go to free online tradingeducation.com to the chat room page, and down below you can sign up for that 30-day free trial. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Hey, I just want you to remember that failure is not an option in trading. It's a guarantee. You just need to trade well. And if you're out for perfection, you better find another hobby. Trade well.